To begin, open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. Now, open the group chat where you want to generate a profile picture using AI. Then, tap the group name at the top. Next, tap on the group photo above the group name. From the pop-up menu, tap Generate Photo. Meta AI will suggest several ideas for your profile picture. You can scroll down to browse through the options and select your favorite. Alternatively, you can provide a description to generate a custom profile picture. Then, tap the Send button. Meta AI will begin generating AI images, and shortly display 6 previews. You can select any of the previews, or edit the prompt to generate new ones. Then, tap the one you want to set as your profile picture. From here, you can add, remove, or modify any elements in the picture. This feature lets you create a personalized and unique group profile picture that reflects your style and creativity. And finally, tap Apply in the top right corner. Your selected and customized AI-generated image will be set as the new group profile picture. So that's how you can create an AI-generated group profile picture on Facebook Messenger.